If you are thinking of launching your own startup online and you are wondering what kind of a business model should you choose, so in this video we will make your decision easier by giving you the different options out of the different business models which you can choose for your online startup. The first thing which you need to understand is that online business works on selling the product. So you have to first choose the product which you want to sell, and that product can either be a digital product or it can be a physical product which you want to sell online. Unless you already have a physical product which you are selling offline, we would not recommend you to sell the physical product right at the start of your online business, because it involves a lot of cost, whereas the digital products are easy to manage and they are scalable. So in the start we would highly recommend you to start your business with some kind of a digital product. So your product will decide the niche of your online business, and if you don't want to launch your own product right at the start of your online business, you can also start by promoting or selling the products of a third party and then getting the commissions from selling those products. And you can do this through the affiliate marketing, the CPM marketing, and the advertising. The affiliate marketing, in short, is a business model in which you generate a traffic and then you introduce the product of somebody else to your traffic, and when somebody from your audience buys that product, you earn a small commission. In the CPM marketing, you don't have to sell a product, you can earn the commission just by creating a lead, whereas in advertising you have to spend some money. You will promote that product through advertising, and if somebody buys that product, you will earn a commission. But you have to remember that the amount of commission you earn should be large enough to cover your advertising expenses. So once you have decided the product, the next step is to create a content, and you can create the content by writing a blog on which you can write the articles about that product, and then you can embed the affiliate links within that blog and you can earn commission. You can also create a YouTube channel around that niche, and you can educate the people about that product. In the description of your each video you can put the affiliate links. You can also upload the same video which you have created for the YouTube on your Facebook page, and you can also add those your own product links or the affiliate links in the description of your video which you have uploaded on your Facebook page. And don't forget to link your blog post or a YouTube video or a Facebook page video onto the Pinterest, because Pinterest is a visual search engine and a lot of traffic you can generate from the Pinterest if you know the search engine optimization mechanism of this social media platform. So once you have created the content, that content will generate a traffic. This traffic you can get organically through search engine optimization. You can also do that with the help of social sharing, or you can also go for the paid method and you can run the ads for that content on the Facebook or the Google Ads. Creating a sales funnel looks extremely complicated and difficult for someone who is new on online business, but mind you that unless you create a sales funnel, you will not be able to expand or scale your business online. You will be just earning few $100s. You will not cross the thousands, and you will not go into 5, 6, 7 figures business model. So you have to learn this. It's not difficult, but the point is that you have to create a landing page, and the landing page is something that a single page website or a blog post on which you introduce that product which you want to sell, whether it is your own product or it is an affiliate product, and you give the important highlights about that product, including its pros and cons, and that why that person should buy that product and what problem that product is going to solve for that person who is trying to buy that product from your sales funnel or landing page. The next step is that you have to divert your traffic to your landing page with some free offer, Meaning by that, once you are creating a blog or a YouTube video, in that you can mention that if they want a free checklist or a PDF book or a free course or maybe a free webinar, a single class in which you will educate them about the problem which they are facing and how that problem can be solved. So in that case, you will be diverting that traffic to your landing page, and once they will reach that landing page, you will gather their email address, and then you will give them that free content, whether it is a checklist or a PDF file or a free short course. And this thing is called email marketing. So from here on, you have to buy a software which will solve your problem of email marketing. And email marketing in short is that once you have collected an email address of that person who is interested in that product, you will send the automatic emails to that person with the help of software. Although these softwares are paid, but you can start free on a ConvertKit or a GetResponse, which are available, and the links are in the description. So with the help of those automatic email, you will highlight the important, you would mention the and why that person should buy this product, because this product seems to be the right product which can solve their problem. So once they have downloaded that free offer from your landing page, and in lieu of giving you the email address, you can on the thank you page, you can offer them a prototype of your product on a very small amount. And if they buy that product, which means that now they are a hot lead, which means that now they are more serious about buying this product as compared to the other email addresses which you have collected. Next step in your sales funnel would be that you would offer them your main product only to your hot leads, and the chances are that they will convert. So this is the overall business model which you can follow. Meaning by that, you can first of all select a product, whether it is your own or you are promoting the affiliate product of somebody else. Then you have to create a content around that niche, and then with the help of that content you have to generate the traffic, and then you have to divert that traffic to your sales funnel. And in the sales funnel, you have to offer them something free in lieu of their email addresses, and then you have to automatically send few number of emails in which you would tell them to buy your product. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have found some value in this video, do give it a like and do share it in your social media profiles. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.